Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done few questions of exercise 5.1. So let us move ahead and do some more questions of this exercise. This is the 16th question. Discuss the continuity of the function f where it is defined as for all values of x less than equal or equal to minus 1, the value of fx is minus 2. And for all points which are greater than minus 1 or less than equal to 1, the value of fx is 2x. And for all values of x greater than 1, the function is defined as 2. So let us first discuss the continuity of the function for the points less than minus 1. Here, since the function is defined for all values of x, so the domain of the function is R. Now for x less than minus 1, the function is defined as minus 2, which is a constant function, and constant function is continuous everywhere. So we can say that this function is continuous for x less than minus 1. Now for the points lying between minus 1 and 1, again the function is defined as 2x. It is again a polynomial function, hence it is continuous for x lying between minus 1 and 1. Now the for points greater than 1, the function is a constant function 2. So again it is continuous for all values of x greater than 1. Now let us check the continuity of the function at the point of uh, the partition and at the partition point. So first of all, let us check the continuity at minus 1. At minus 1, the left hand limit will be limit fx x approaches to minus 1 from the left means minus 1 minus. Now on the left of minus 1, the function is defined as minus 2. So fx will be replaced by minus 2. अब ये तो कांस्टेंट है, लिमिट कुछ भी हो इसकी वैल्यू minus 2 ही रहेगी. So left hand limit becomes minus 2. On the right of 1, on the right of minus 1, the function is defined as 2x. So when we find the right hand limit, fx will be replaced by 2x. And now put x equal to minus 1, then this becomes minus 2. So from here we see that the left hand limit and right hand limits, they are equal. So and the value of the function is also defined at minus 1 is defined as minus 2. So f minus 1 is also minus 2, and left hand limit is also minus 2, and right hand limit is also minus 2. So we can say that the function is continuous at x equal to minus 1. Now let us check the continuity at other point of partition, that is 1. So at 1, the left hand limit is fx will be replaced by 2x because between minus 1 and 1, and at the function is defined as 2x. So the left hand limit is limit 2x as x approaches 1 from the left. So replace x by 1, so we get 2. And right hand limit, on the right of 1, the function is defined as 2. So when we find the right hand limit of the function, fx will be replaced by 2. So ये constant है, लिमिट इसकी 2 ही रहेगी. So the left limit is also 2, right limit is also 2. This means the limit of the function exists at 2. And the value of the function at 1, limit of the function exists, and that limit is 2. And the value of the function at 1, it is also defined by 2x. So f1 is equal to 2 into 1, that is 2. So limit of fx at x equal to 1 is equal to value of f at 1. So we can say that this function is continuous for all continuous at x equal to 1. So this function is since continuous at minus 1, 1 and all points less than 1, for points between minus 1 and 1, and for points greater than 1. So we can say that function is continuous for all r. Next is find the relationship between a and b so that the function f defined by fx equal to ax plus 1 if x is less than equal to 3, and if x is greater than 3 then the function is defined as bx plus 3. So we have to prove that it is continuous at x equal to 3. So what we will do, first, it is given that it is continuous at x equal to 3 and we have to find the relationship between a and b. So uh, we will find the left hand limit at 3. Now when we find the left hand limit at 3, it becomes limit fx x approaches 3 from left is equal to लिमिट x अप्रोचेस 3 फ्रॉम लेफ्ट और fx को रिप्लेस कर देंगे किससे, लेफ्ट में फंक्शन ax प्लस 1 से डिफाइंड है, सो fx को रिप्लेस कर देंगे ax प्लस 1 से, इसमें x को रिप्लेस करिए 3 से, देन यू गेट 3a प्लस 1. अब हम 3 पर राइट हैंड लिमिट निकालेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा bx प्लस 3 और fx को रिप्लेस करेंगे bx प्लस 3 से और x को रिप्लेस करेंगे फिर 3 से, सो इट बिकम्स 3b प्लस 3. But we are given that the function is continuous at 3, it means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So we get equal to value of the function. So f3 is, first we find the value of the function, f3 is equal to 3 पे function ax plus 1 से defined है, so f3 is equal to 3a plus 1. So equate the two, we get 3a plus 1 is equal to 3b plus 3. लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट और राइट हैंड लिमिट को इक्वेट कर दिया, इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन भी 3a plus 1 थी. अब इसको आप a और b में रिलेशनशिप निकाल सकते हैं, 3a is equal to 3b plus 2, so a is equal to b plus 2 by 3. That's all for today. Thank you.